हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, बिजनेस हेल्पलाइन चैनल को आपण मान को बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा तरुण गोयल जनरल नॉलेज बुक रो हिस्ट्री रो पार्ट देखा, जोटा कि पार्ट 12 आज बही प्राय संपूर्ण सारांश परीक्षा पर अविकल प्रश्न अपन देखिए जमी आप परीक्षा दौरान से क्वेश्चन गुड़ा को सिलेक्ट करके ऑनलाइन बनईचु, जोटा बही लिखा है को आम ऑनलाइन कर। चलो स्टार्ट करें। अच्छा, the Sultan of Delhi was appointed as Amir Tujuk, master of ceremonies. Before becoming the Sultan, he was Alauddin Khilji. The incident of Jauhar was first mentioned in Persian language by Amir Khusro. The dynasty ruled over Delhi during 1290 to 1320. So Khalji. Okay. Jafar Khan was a famous general of Alauddin Khilji. Predecessors of Alauddin Khilji was Jalaluddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the slave general of Alauddin Khilji. The battle against Ramchandra of Devagiri led by Malik Kafur. The system of Daga and Huliya and cash payment to the soldiers introduced by Alauddin Khilji. Okay. During Alauddin Khilji's region, the cloth market was known as Sarai-i-Ald. Okay. Alauddin Khilji built his capital by name of Siri. Okay. Next river. First Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate to start military expenditures into southern India, Alauddin Khilji. The founder of Khilji dynasty in 1290 AD was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. Alai Darwaja, okay, was built by using the red sandstone. Under Alauddin Khilji, an officer oversaw a merchant register to the secure ample goods supply. Sahanai Mandi. Types of taxes were in the region of Alauddin Khilji was three. One is Jizya, Khari, and Chari. Okay. Alauddin Khilji attacked Chittor in 1303. Tower of Victory, that is Vijay Stambha in the Chittorgarh, was erected by Rana Kumbha after defeating Muhammad Khilji. Alai Minar near the Qutub Minar, an unfinished monument, was started by Alauddin Khilji. Tax on housing, cultivation, and cattle was imposed by the state during the region of Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaja in Delhi in 1311 was built by Alauddin Khilji. Okay. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ହେଲ୍ପଲାଇନ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡେଲି ଏଠି ଫ୍ରିରେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମିଳୁଛି। ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ମାନେ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ କରୁଛୁ ବହୁତ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଥ୍ କିଛି ବୁକ୍ସ ବି ଆଣିବୁ, ମ୍ୟାଥ୍ର ଯେଉଁ ପପୁଲାର ବୁକ୍ସ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆଣିବୁ। ଆପଣମାନେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ରହିବ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଜିରୋ ଟୁ ହିରୋ OPSC ଏସବୁ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏବେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି QR କୋଡ଼ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଆପଣମାନେ এই ବୁକ୍ଟିକି ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ 1200 ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି OPSC ଏସବୁ, ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ଆପଣ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବେ, ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ 1200 ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ଏସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବି ମିଳିଯିବ। ଓକେ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି RI, ARI, ICDS କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଆସୁଛି ଯେ ମେ ବି RI, ARI ଟିକେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଡିଲେ ହେବ, କାହିଁକିନା ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଟିକେ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ ଚାଲୁଛି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଉପରେ ନେଇକି, କାହିଁକିନା ଅଲରେଡ଼ି 8ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରେଲୱେ, 13ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ SSC, ପୁଣି ଏବେ OSSC। ତେଣୁ ଏତେ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ର ମେ ବି ଆଭେଲେବିଲିଟି ନଥାଇପାରେ, ତେଣୁ ଟିକେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଡିଲେ ହେଇପାରେ। ଗୋଟେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଆସୁଛି, ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ 100% ସିଓର କହିବିନି ଯେତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ରେ ନ ଆସିଛି। ଓକେ, ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି, ଚାହିଁଲେ ଆପଣ परचेज करके मेटेरियल पढ़ी पारे। ओएसएससी आपंकर गवर्नमेंट ग्रेजुएट लेवल एग्जामिनेशन जब आपको न्यू सिलेबस अनुसार आपको ई बुक दरकार आपण मैंने क्यूआर कोड दिया जाए आपण मैंने स्कैन करके आपण मैंने ई बुक देखिपारे। ओके चलतु नेक्स्ट जिनस जावा। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी रूल्ड द दिल्ली सुल्तानेट फ्रॉम 1296 AD to 1360 AD। okay 16 AD। okay Malik Kafur was the commander of Alauddin Khilji, most important officer who supervises all department in Delhi Sultanate, Diwan-e Wazrat. Jahar Mahal, built by Sultan Ziauddin Khilji, is located in Mandu, Madhya Pradesh. Hindu ruler when Alauddin Khilji attacked Ranthambore in 1301 was Amir Dev. The Persian chronicles describe the Muslim sultanates as the shadow of God. Alauddin Khilji constructed a new garrison town for his soldiers named Siri Fort. Alauddin Khilji raised Khajra tax to 50%. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. Famous poem Hasta Bihista was written by Amir Khusro. Okay. Next, Amir Khusro was the royal poet and the disciple of Sufi saint Nijamuddin Auliya, last dynasty to rule over Gujarat before it passed on the hands of Alauddin Khilji was Baghela dynasty. Then first Delhi Sultan to start military campaigns in southern India, Alauddin Khilji. Delhi Sultan, best known for its market regulation policy, Alauddin Khilji. Malwa, that is Madhya Pradesh, was captured by Alauddin Khilji in 1305 AD. Alauddin Khilji madrasa and tomb are situated in New Delhi. এটা বহুত তর পরীক্ষার পড়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট। Amir Khusro was popularly known as Parrot of India. Siri, the second city of Delhi, was built by Alauddin Khilji. Khilji dynasty in 1290 to 1320 was founded by Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. The dynasty that came after the Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Chor Minar, okay, in the Hoj Khas area of Delhi was constructed by Alauddin Khilji. A series of regulations was formed to control the power of nobles by Alauddin Khilji. The classic poet of Sultanate period in the Indian popularized Qawwali, Amir Khusro, Qawwali, Amir Khusro. The Jahaj Mahal of Mandu was built by Ghiasuddin Khilji. The Jamaat Khana Masjid was built by Khizr Khan, son of Alauddin Khilji. The successor of Muhammad bin Tughlaq to the throne was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta, a traveler hailed from Morocco. Ghiasuddin Tughlaq raised the banner of revolt against Nasruddin Khosrow. Ghiasuddin Baruni wrote his chronicle of first version in 1356. Ibn Battuta was appointed as the Qazi of Delhi by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay. मैंने आपण मैंने बिजनेस चैनल के सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु। आगो को बहुत नुआ नुआ बुक उपर वीडियो आसीबो आपण मैंने निश्चित भाव में से वीडियो पाई परिबे। ओपीएससी सब जदि वीडियो आपण को ई बुक दरकार आपण निश्चित स्कैन करंतु। ओपीएससी और प्रैक्टिस ई बुक दरकार आपण स्कैन करंतु। आ आपण जदि ओ ट्रिपल एसएससी रो आरआईआरएम रो जदि ई कंटेंट दरकार निश्चित भाव में आपण स्कैन करंतु। आ अपकमिंग ओएसएससी जीएलई पई जदि आपण को ई बुक दरकार आपण मैंने स्कैन करके पाई परिबे। आज वीडियो केमन लागला निश्चित भाव में लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच।